Hello, we're here south of Raleigh looking at a house that could potentially be a flip. This house is really close to the News River Trail and it has really good bones, so it has a really nice structure. It's 1980s house, but as you can see, the house has really good curb appeal. With this house, the kitchen is a little bit smaller, but I think with a few updates, it would look a little more open. Painting the cabinet a white color, removing the popcorn, putting new light fixtures, just will make it look a little bit more open and bigger. You come over with me. This is a laundry room. It's a good sized laundry room for a house. Though this house has a lot of wallpaper, so that's going to be a lot of work to remove it, refinish the walls, and paint the walls. You can come over with me. This house has a really nice living room with vaulted ceilings. So this is a living room. It has a fireplace, and you can see the vaulted ceilings. That adds an additional touch. This house also has popcorn here in the living room. That's gonna have to be replaced. In this house, we'd probably remove this wall here and just leave this column because it does look like it's a load-bearing column. This is the dining room. It's a good-sized dining room. Obviously, would remove the popcorn, add new light fixtures to make it look a little bit more open. If you can come over with me, in the first floor, it has a master bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, 1 bonus room, and 2.5 bathrooms. This is the master bedroom. It has a nice window, nice view to the outside. It has carpet, so we'd have to do something with the flooring on the first floor and second floor. In a minute, you'll see that the second floor looks a little bit rough, the flooring. This bathroom has 2 sinks. I like the mirror. It has a really good vintage touch. Then it has a walk-in closet over here, as you can see. That's a nice walk-in closet. Yeah, it's a nice feature. The bathroom here would have to renovate. It has a black toilet and a black bathtub, which is probably not going to sell very well. And then we'll do something with the walk-in shower. Because although it does look like marble, it's not marble, it's plastic. But we could probably put some tiles to make it look nice. All right, we'll go to the second floor now. Before we go to the second floor, this is the bathroom. This is the half bathroom on the first level. All right, you can walk with me through these long flights of stairs. I think this is a really nice touch for the house. It has a really nice look whenever somebody's looking in from the entrance. That's a really luxurious look. With these flights, the railings will probably paint them all white, and then obviously remove the carpet. On the second floor, it has 2 bedrooms and 1 bonus room. I'll show you in a little bit. The carpet would have to be replaced completely. This carpet is in rough shape. This is the first bedroom with a built-in desk, which I think is a good touch, especially with kids, for them to do their homework. It has a closet, so technically it is a bedroom. And then obviously here too, we would remove the popcorn, put new light fixtures, maybe not have a fan in the bedroom, especially because it has AC. It has AC, so there's no point to have a fan here in the bedroom. It has a linen closet here. This is the third bedroom, sorry. The third bedroom. So flooring, ceilings, and maybe a new closet door. This is the second full bathroom, which the light doesn't work. Okay, this is the bonus room. Technically it's not a bedroom because it's missing the closet, but it is could be used for an office. All right, well, I'm gonna show you this sunroom. They're really nice. It has some windows that you can see up in the sky. It has wallpaper, which would have to come down. The flooring would have to do a new type of flooring here that's continuous to the same flooring that we would use for the rest of the house we would put here. And then you guys could follow me. You guys saw a little bit of the outside in the backyard, but I'd like to show you. There's actually chickens there. It has a above ground pool, and it has a nice large backyard that looks like it goes all the way to the tree line. You can come with me. This house, as you guys could see in the video of the outside, it has a garage, and we're gonna go see. It has a 2-car garage, and it has a kind of like an office space in the top. That's a nice breezeway here, and a nice deck, because that's what you would call it here, in between the garage and the main house. All right, we'll walk to the 2-car garage. So a nice size garage. The garage doors are in rough shape, so we'd have to replace that. But other than that, I mean, it's a nice space to store your vehicles. This would make, what I'm about to show you would make a great game room for somebody that buys this house. It's in rough shape, but I think with some touches, it could look very good. So I'm kind of envisioning a pool table, some darts, just a game room for a family. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. And remember to follow me on FreddyFlipsNC and Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for tuning in.